Hi, my name is Dr. Martin von Sontagh, and today I'm going to explain you my kit that I developed with the company Deppeler instruments. So, the first instrument that I want to present you is my ruler. On this ruler we have a thin side and a wide side. With the thin side we can precisely go between the matrix system in the sharp angles of a tooth of a prepared box, and for the wide side we can use it for a bulk fill therapy, for wide cavities, large composite layering and so on. Something special on the thin side is that we have visual guides. We have visual guides that are 2, 3, 4 and 5. And with 2 and 4 we have maybe for a layering technique of 2 millimeters we can put our visual guide and we are always on the right side. And so on also for the 4 visual guides. Then we have the visual guide 3 and 5. With 3 and 5 we can use it also for caries excavation. That means that when we are going to excavate our caries, we know that from a cusp of the tip of a cusp going inside of the box of the tooth, of the prepared box, we know after 5 millimeters we are on the top of the box of the nerve of the pulp chamber. And also 3 millimeters from the adjacent teeth going inside of the tooth, we are on the side of a pulp chamber. So we use it also for caries excavation. On the other side we have the wide tip. The wide tip I use it often to put some fibers, polyethylene fibers maybe, on a composite bed and to incorporate it, and then together with a sharp instrument I can put it from outside inside the tooth. Okay, and this brings me to the second instrument. We have a spatula, and this orange spatula, we have a spatula with sharp edges, and these sharp edges I use it to cut away the excess of composite. On the other side we have on the handle, we have also again a special feature. We have again a visual guide. I can use it for incisal teeth, for the front teeth, to look if I have the right symmetry, if I have the right width of the left and the right teeth, and I use it, I love it to use it for recreate composite veneers. Now I'm going to explain you the third instrument, the yellow one. This is a ruler on one side, and on the other side we have a sharp tip. With the ruler I can use it for a composite veneering technique to flatten the tooth, and the composite will start shining when I only touch it a little bit, the composite, and I can spread and rule the composite. And the excess of the composite, again, I can cut it away with the orange spatula. For the posterior tooth, I have the right inclination. That means I can put the inclination of the tip on the cusp and spread the tooth from mesial to distal, and then I will not have to adjust so much afterwards after polymerization. Since I'm using this instrument, I have just a little bit of adjustment, and that is I have a sharp tip, and with this sharp tip I can use it for the posterior to recreate my fissure system. I can use it for bringing some staining into my fissure system, and for the anterior teeth I can use it for my mamelons, and on the other side to use again colors, stainings for some special effects in the incisal third of the recreated natural tooth. Now I'm going to explain you the new instrument, the new spatula, and we develop a new instrument with more than one use. We can use it for, of course, flattening the composite as the yellow one, but in a more efficient way. Then I have the inclinations of a natural tooth to recreate the light angles of a tooth, and the light reflections to recreate them. And we have also this little notch. What is this little notch? This little notch, I can put it on the incisal edge of a tooth and then go from mesial to distal and erase some of the composite that I don't need there, the excess of composite, and leave the space for recreating the mamelons. That means with this little notch I can then flatten the composite and recreate the mamelons. Then I have the right design of a mamelon. On the other side of the tip I have a sharp scalpel. That means that I can use it with the composite that is still soft, and I can cut away the excess of the composite. And after polymerization, when the composite is hard and stiff, I can go there with the sharp scalpel and reshape the composite, the already done composite, or maybe some excess that I don't want to have there, I can cut it away with this sharp scalpel. To summarize the whole kit, I designed in cooperation with the company Deppeler, situated in Roll in Switzerland, these 4 instruments for all the 4 quadrants. I can use it for the posterior and also for the anterior region. These are stainless steel monoblocks instrument completely made in Switzerland. And I'm so proud of it to made it with this beautiful company, and I hope you will enjoy it like me, and let's start creating.